Would you like to be a successful entrepreneur? Would you like to be personally and financially independent? Would you like to have a comprehensible and step-by-step plan and concept for sustainable success? Now, finally, you have come to the right place for that. And I'd like to show you why you're in the right place to begin your success journey. I will come to this in a second. Just let me shortly introduce myself. My name is Thorsten Schad and I'm an entrepreneur for over 25 years now. Most of this time I've been working in insurance business and in the financial sector. But regardless of the niche I am in or you are in, today's world has many other challenges for us, for you, for me, than 10 or 5 years ago. But it also has other chances and possibilities for us, right? Take online marketing, for example. On the one hand, if you want to be a really successful entrepreneur, you have to be online because that's where your clients are. Not only in a by the way. On the other hand, it is not a must. It's wow, X times more chances you have because it has never been easier to target your ideal clients. I experienced this myself when I started using online marketing for my business. And therefore I know how hard times can be and how stressed you might feel at one point or the other. There are so many ways, channels, tools, concepts, gurus and whatsoever around there. It took me personally over 12 months to get here, and I already had a running and successful insurance agency. So I understand that there are people who do not believe that it's possible anymore to be successful, especially not in the online world. But you still believe in yourself, right? That's the reason you are watching this video. You believe that there's a way to be successful. And let me tell you from the bottom of my heart, you are absolutely right with that. There are so many ways to be successful, and it will be a pleasure for me to share my insights with you. As a first step, join my Facebook group. There should be a link somewhere in the comments. And if you have a question, do not hesitate to ask me. Your success is my mission. So, again, join the group and take your chance.